Ladies and gentlemen, this is Aaron Johnson, and welcome back to my channel. And what I'm doing right there, about to switch gears right now. I'm going to show you how to block a company website by using CPanel, where you're blocking a particular company who supports sweatshop labor or pollutes the environment, or in some cases supports copyright lobbying. Say for example, you want to block SeaWorld related websites. First, what you need to do is to perform a research to this website. So I'm about to open my browser, so I'm going to do a Google search first. So I'm about to perform a search. Say if you want to block SeaWorld parks from visiting your website because you don't want SeaWorld to see your content and advertise on your website. You find that website associated with search. You have to do this research, otherwise I'll try to say this. You have to do a research first, otherwise it will not work and you may be blocking an incorrect website. So I need to find that okay, I need to find so I want to make sure I find that. So can you find that website right there? Okay. So okay, if this type of this domain does not exist for some reason, so what I'm about to do, I'm about to go to my Green Geeks account. So what I'm about to do, I'm going to pause my recording. Okay, where I'm at the CPanel. Okay, here I am. I'm at the IP blocker, but I can able to do is type in a domain name that's associated with an IP. For this instance, you want to block SeaWorld from seeing your website, but I did mention SeaWorld Parks earlier, but there's no domain that matches SeaWorld Parks, but it's only in the parent website of SeaWorld. So what you need to do, type the domain in correctly, otherwise you may make a mistake. So if this is the case, if you're blind, you may need to refactor your blacklist or write it down in your database. So now you're at the prompt right there. So for this instance, I'm going to type the name of the domain I want to block from my website. So I just cleared that text to give an example. So if you want to take a closer look, y'all can freeze the video or pause it. So I can take a closer look. So after you put that domain in, you can add it, but don't forget to research what kind of website you're blocking first. So like I would try blocking another website that is part of the meat industry, Purdue Farms, if I get correct. So I need to do like a research before I ever show y'all an actual block of this website what I'm going to perform. So I'm going to pause this video. And I'm so sorry for taking a long time because I had to do a research. So I'll pause right now. Okay, I just came back, and what I'm going to do is to block this website that's associated with Purdue Farms, because supporting the meat industry is not right for me. So what I'm going to do is prevent them from viewing my site. So I'm going to type in their website. So if you are blocking Purdue Farms from viewing your website, that's useful if you are a vegetarian or an activist who does not support the meat industry. So I'm going to type in their domain and add to my blacklist. Now, I'm going to do is add it to my list. Now, what you get is a confirmation. You'll get this message. And if you're done, you just go back. If you want to add more of those domains you want to block, that's indeed unwanted. So like that is really useful if you want to block websites that support the meat industry from viewing your website, and that is useful if you want to block advertisers from advertising your website and preventing other websites from viewing your content, whether you're an activist or you're boycotting certain companies. Like I'm boycotting Purdue Farms because I don't eat meat. I used to, but I quit eating meat since 2014, and I also boycotted Apple because I don't use any Apple products whatsoever.
You have a phone call report 1.
And this is a reason why I would never support these bad guys. So I'm gonna just X out, and I'm gonna do is go back to my desktop, and I'm gonna do is share my thoughts. So now I just got that domain right there blocked review on my website, and now that is useful if I want to make sure my website right there has these ads that are free of meat industry based ads, and of course I make sure my website says remain meat free. So this is a useful tool, an IP blocker of our CPanel, for our Green Geeks or any hosting provider where you use. And if you like this tutorial, leave a like and feel free to subscribe to my channel. You'll first support my channel if you add a like to this video. So I also have links at the description box, so y'all can donate to my channel, and along with finding me on Facebook and visiting my website. So thanks for coming to my channel. See you soon.